Hello students, I'm your English teacher. In this video, I'm going to teach you a conversation, and that conversation will help you improve your listening practice. So before we start this lecture, I want you to subscribe my YouTube channel if you are new on this channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon button so that you can receive our daily informative videos. So let's get started. Lesson number 1. Where are you from? Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Good. Do you speak English? A little. Are you Pakistani? Yeah. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from UK. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Lesson number 2. Do you speak English? Excuse me, are you Pakistani? No. Do you speak English? A little, but not very well. How long have you been here? How long have you been here? 2 months. What do you do for work? I'm a student. How about you? Dear students, here I want to explain something to you. Whenever we use abbreviation of any word, we do not pronounce that particular word completely. So you cannot pronounce it like I am a student. The reason we have used apostrophe between M and I to make it short. So this will be pronounced like I'm a student. How about you? I'm a student too. Lesson number 3. What's your name? Excuse me, what's your name? My name is Jessica. What's yours? John. You speak English very well. Thank you. Do you know what time it is? Do you know what time it is? Sure, it's 6:10 p.m. What did you say? I said it's 6:10 p.m. Thanks. You're welcome. Now here you do not say like you are welcome, because I have just previously explained that whenever we use apostrophe between two words, we do not pronounce that word completely. So how would you say it? You're welcome. You're welcome. Lesson number 4. Asking directions. When somebody wants to request you to guide him about directions. Hey Michael. Hey Amy. What's up? Hey Amy. What's up? I'm looking for the airport. Can you tell me how to get there? Can you tell me how to get there? No, sorry, I don't know. I think I can take the subway to the airport. I think I can take the subway to the airport. Do you know where the subway is? Do you know where the subway is? Sure, it's over there. Where? I don't see it. Across the street. Oh, I see it now. Thanks. No problem. Do you know if there is a restroom around here? Yes, there is one here. It's in the store. Yes, there is one here. It's in the store. Thank you. Bye. Bye bye. So dear students, this brings me to the end of this lecture. If you really have learned something from this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye.